Hi everyone, back again with a new video. So last class we discussed about types of software. In that one we discussed that is system software. Hope you all clear with that system software. But today we are going to discuss about application software. So I already told you application software means, so if you want to do a specific task, for that purpose if we are using any software, such softwares are known as application software. There are two types of application software, that is general purpose application software and customized or business software. So let's look on what the general purpose application software means. Okay, general purpose application software means that is a company will prepare or create a software, okay, and we can use that particular software. We can't do any modification, okay, some built-in properties will be there. We can't do any editing or modifications we can done in that particular software. Such softwares we can call general purpose application software, okay, like Paint, that is a built-in software. If we install in our system we can use it. We can't do any editing or modification comments, modification on any comments we can't do it in this particular software. That is a Word document, MS Office application, some softwares in MS Office. Paint is the calculator, all are some gaming softwares we can install. Such softwares are available, that is built-in. Some softwares are available through internet or we can purchase. Such softwares are known as general purpose softwares. Okay, we can't do any modifications in that particular, in such a softwares. Okay, and the next one is customized or business application software. That is, if you want to do a specific work, if it is a school, if you want to do a particular task, that is if you want to enter the attendance of the students, otherwise teachers list, such details if you want to store, we need a software, isn't it? So for doing that we have to prepare or create a software according to our need. If we create a software for our business purposes, that is known as business or customized software. Okay, so in different areas we can create. If it is a school, school will create their own needs. According to their own needs they will generate a software. If it is a textile shop, they are creating their own software. You can see for different textile shops, if you are seeing, if you look on their billing systems or bills, names, otherwise that options, the billing method, everything was different, isn't it? That's according to their need. Each organization according to their need they are creating a or generating a software. Such softwares are known as customized or business softwares. So here examples given here: school management system, that is for managing the school. If we create a software for that purpose, we are creating, that is school management system. School inventory control system, that means inventory means what transactions or whatever other than the students or students academic details and all. If some other activities also there in school, that is other money transactions or things are there, isn't it? So such things we can call this school inventory control system. Payroll system means that is salary slips, salary details. If you want to enter the salary details, that is known as payroll system. Such a software is known as payroll system software. Then financial accounting, for accounting purpose, financial activities, transactions. If you want to create a software, that is financial accounting. HR management and attendance, that is employees attendance details, all the things if you want to enter or keep store in a particular software, such a softwares are known as HR management and attendance software. Billing system, reservation systems, So many areas are there for such a customized or business application softwares. Okay, and next we are going to discuss about the difference between system software and application software. In your textbook page number 22, you can see a box given here, system software and application software. System software, first point, system software controls the working of the entire system. That you all know, without operating system we can work with on system. So the entire system was controlled by the system software. This type of, second point, this type of software generally works in the background with the knowledge of user. That is, with the knowledge of user only. We have to start up the system and load the operating system, then only that particular one will work out. The next one is, system software does not need any application software to run on the computer system. So only the system software needed, we can work on this computer system. If it is not there, we can't work it, or any other supporting softwares are not needed for this system software. Operating examples are given here. Operating system, device drivers, language processors, etc. are the examples of system software. And the next one is application software. That is, for handling a specific task of a computer, we have to use this application software. And the second point, this type of software is used by users for solving their problems. So for our own users, we are using this particular software. Okay, application software cannot run without the support of system software. If there is no operating system, whether we can install any paint, calculator or gaming softwares in that? No. So first of all, we need an operating system. So a support of system software is essential for this application softwares. And examples are given here: MS Word, PowerPoint, Paint, Calculator, all are the examples for application software. Okay. So next one, we are moving to operational support system. That is, so in our school, you can see in all classrooms, you can see this smart board, isn't it? So smart board, if you open the teacher's data in a particular class, whether other classes can open that teacher's data? Okay, at a time or in all the classes, any teachers can open that teacher's data. That means a server, otherwise a main system was there in our office. Okay, so and all other smart boards are connected to that particular system. So what all things the students or teachers are handling in a particular class was monitored by that system in our office. So all the systems are connected, and a particular server, that is a main system, will be there in our office, and that particular system can monitor all other systems. Such a type of softwares, we are using a special type software for monitoring other systems. Such softwares are known as business support system. Okay, so it's an other than application software and system software, special type software we are using for monitoring, that is known as business support system. Okay, and next one is, the next topic is disk defragmenter. That means in our system, for each and every actions, we have to specify or we have to allocate some memory anywhere. If you want to create a particular folder, we need some memory in the system, then only we can save that particular folder. And if you want to save your images, videos, whatever it is, you need some memory, isn't it? So here and there we will arrange, and some leftover memory will be there in our system. So that particular leftover memories, if we are combined together, that is known as defragmentation. Okay, if we are divide the memory into different parts and again we are clubbed together that memory allocated parts, that is known as defragmenter. Okay, for that purpose, for doing that defragment on your hard disk, here the steps are given here. First of all, you have to click on the start button, and before going through the steps, don't do this particular step in your system because it may make some changes in your system. Okay, already your system is defragmented, hard disk is defragmented. Okay, so don't do these steps on your system. Okay, just learn how to do. Okay, don't do it on your system, be careful. Okay, so first one, you just, if you click, just to see the options, don't do any click on any options, just to look on what all options are there. Okay, so first step is click the start button. If you click the start button, you can see that particular option. So for finding that option, search box, down you can see the search box. In that search box, you just type it disk defragmenter. Okay, type on disk defragmenter. Okay, and after that a dialog box will appear. From that, click disk defragmenter to open it. The disk defragmenter dialog box will appear. And step 4, select the disk you want to defragment from the current status selection. So you can see in your system, if you open my computer, you can see local disk C, D, E, F. So any different partitions you can do it. So already your disk is defragmented, C, D, E drive you can see. So which one again you want to defragment, that particular one you can select. After that, click analyze disk button to determine if the disk needs to be defragmented or not, whether that particular disk, that is any unwanted memories are there, if it is there or not. For checking, you can just click the analyze disk button. After that, click the defragment disk button. If needed, you can click on the disk defragment button. Okay, and if you click on the disk defragment disk button, you can see it will take some time and all. Okay, so like that way the method to do the disk defragmentation. Okay, so our lesson over. Question answers related to this I will give you. Now we can just look on the page number 25, exercise section A. Okay, section A, first section, quiz section, first question, name the 2 types of softwares. There itself, just write down system software and application software. Okay, second question, give an example of system software. Give an example. Yes, that is operating system is an example for system software. So just write down the operating system. Okay, and multiple choice questions. First one, we can touch and feel the, which one we can touch and feel the hardware. Option C, hardware. Okay, in the dotted lines you must write down. Okay, don't put the tick mark, along with the tick mark you should write the answer in that dotted line. Okay, and second one, dash are the unwanted programs which enter in a computer system to destroy the stored data. Which one? Stored data, that is, if there is a computer virus, it will destroy our stored data. So write down computer virus. Okay, third one, system software is like a dash of a computer system. It's like a manager of a computer system. Option A, manager. Fourth one, dash is an operating system. So in your system, which one is the operating system you are using in your system? According to each system, it may vary. So here, anyway, any versions, Windows is an operating system. Okay, WordPad, Paint, all are application softwares. Okay. So below that, C section, complete the names of different types of software and their examples by filling in the missing letters. That you all know, types of software, 2 types are there, that is application software and system software. Below application software, 2 examples you can give, that is calculator, Paint. And next one, system software, you can write down the Windows 7, Windows X. Got it? And question answers also there, that along with this video I will upload. So once again, for your exam, you are having 3 lessons for your exam, that is lesson 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so study well related to this lesson. One TP will be there. Before that, complete the notes and study well and ready for the TP. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day and best of luck for your exam.